was mostly sunny.
Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lawrenceville, Peachtree Corners, Dunwoody, Duluth, Lilburn, Chamblee, Norcross, Dorville, Clarkston, Stone Mountain, Avondale Estates, Berkeley Lake, Pine Lake, Tucker, North Decatur, Belvedere Park, Mountain Park, and Mechanicsville. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Happy 4th of July!